When foundation walls show signs of extreme damage or even close to caving in, there are limited options when it comes to repair. Homeowners are often forced into complete foundation removal and replacement, which is costly and disruptive. And worst of all, that new foundation will still be sitting in the same problematic soil and susceptible to the same fate as your original foundation. To permanently stabilize your foundation, we turn to the Foundation Support Works EverBrace Wall Restoration System. Our engineered system is perfect for homeowners, requiring less installation time and minimal intrusion to your home. Once the wood framing is reinforced, heavy-duty steel panels are cut and placed along the foundation wall. Next, specifically engineered I-beams are cut and secured to the floor slab with an engineered bracket or a concrete footing. Finally, specialized foam is injected behind the steel panels, filling the void between the existing wall and transferring loads from the failing wall to the new EverBrace system. The EverBrace Wall Restoration System provides you with the security of a new foundation without the cost and disruption. The installation is customized for your house, so existing windows and doors won't be covered up. Finally, EverBrace can easily be concealed with drywall, so you can enjoy every area of your home without ever worrying about foundation failure again. Let us restore the integrity of your home's foundation with the EverBrace Wall Restoration System from Foundation Support Works.